If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, it's James from Selman Home Inspections. I was doing an inspection on a really old house today, and I found a few things I figured I'd share with you guys. When you're in a really old house, you see this is a really big attic. But you know, when older houses are built, standards change. Sometimes you know, updates don't happen like they're supposed to, and things wear out. But I wanted to show you a few things. This is some of the stuff we find when we do inspections. This is a second floor attic window. We got a tree trying to grow inside the house. It's over here and over here. There's a couple other things I look for in a house. If you'll look right across here, this one board directly in front of me, you can see it's been split and it's broken. You know, we don't want that going on. We want the roof to be fully supported. A few other things. If you look in this corner, there is absolutely no insulation above the ceiling on that end of this room below us. You know, that's going to end up just being a lot more energy cost, things like that. You know, speaking of insulation, you know, what is installed, it's pretty dirty looking here, but it's only about 4 inches deep. Today's standards recommend about 13 inches of insulation. And over here, this is really neat. You know, you can see obviously that somebody's come back in, they've updated the home, they put in newer can lights and newer wiring. But over in this corner, this is the original wiring for this house. Is these two wires running left and right here. This is called knob and tube wiring. It's really old, it's no longer accepted, especially you know, when you're doing updates to a house. This is something to be aware of, especially if your home is older. This is a prime example of what we look for in a house. And the last thing I did find in this house is, if you look up, this is the back side of the chimney in the attic. Right up in this area, right just to the right of where my flashlight is, where the brick is darker color, that's actually wet. We've had a lot of rain recently, but it's a really good indication that the flashing or something's going on with the chimney and it's lying water in the attic, which, you know, of course we don't want. You know, this is just a few things we find when we look at a home inspection that we're looking for that, you know, might be missed if you don't do a home inspection or you have somebody inspect it that doesn't do as thorough of a job as us. But give us a call. We'll be love to talk to you, or you can hit us up on Facebook. We're at www.selmanhomeinspections.com. Thanks.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.